Our friends at Super Clean, they've sent us some product to use. We're going to be trying some of this Degreaser today. This is the aerosol can spray type. It clings a little bit better to surfaces. As you saw in the pictures that Stacy posted, we got a four-wheeler we're tearing down. It's covered up with dirt, grime, and grease, so we're going to be using this on it today. Always read the directions on Super Clean. This is some stout stuff. Wear protective eyewear and gloves when recommended. And I guess I can go ahead and read you the directions here real quick. To avoid damaging surfaces, always pre-test on the inconspicuous area for surface integrity and to check if the color is affected. Make sure the surface is as cool as possible. As you can see, we got our parts sitting out here in the shade. Cover surface with a Super Clean in the appropriate strength, allowing time to dissolve grease and grime. Do not allow to dry. Rinse thoroughly and dry as needed. Depending on how you're using Super Clean, wear gloves and or eye protection. For more safety tips or any other information, go to superclean.com. Here's what we're using today. Easy Spray aerosol can. I'm going to spray a few of these four-wheeler parts down and we'll go from there. It just foams on pretty heavy.
Now, does it say how many seconds or anything to leave on there?
It says not to allow it to dry.
It already looks like it's starting to come off.
As you can see, these parts are nasty. We'll get the inside a little bit here because I want it clean as well.
Oh my goodness, it's running off the sides of it.
This is good stuff.
That's awesome.
You all seen these parts before?
I want y'all to look at this. It's just running off the sides of it.
All right, we'll get a water hose ready. We'll let it set a little while. It says not to allow it to dry, of course. I use Degreaser all the time with what I do. Different things. Oh man, look at that.
Oh wow!
I mean, and these parts have not been touched with anything, and this quad has been sitting for 25 years. So you got 25 years worth of dirt, grime, grease.
Look at it. It's really coming off really good.
I may have to put a second coat on some of this tougher stuff.
Make it a little thicker.
That's not good.
Oh my.
And again, this is the foam spray. Really cleaning the inside. That's the cleanest that air box has been since 1987 when this was new.
You can actually tell that's blue.
Now the tank itself got some discoloration, so you're not going to change that, but I can actually see the grease and the grime coming off of it. This one more time.
So overall, how do you like it so far?
I like it. It's a very good product. Like I said, it has different variations of this product, so we'll be coming to you with some more videos of different variations and different ways to use it. But we had these parts available right now that needed a quick clean, so we thought we would use it on these. We'll hit that another coat and let it set a few minutes. I want to get this right here, which is not going to work as good with water already on it. But I'm not.
So it works better when it's dry?
Yeah, that way you're getting full strength. But in a situation where you don't need full strength, it might be better to do
I know
it.
I've seen it work really good on grill grates. It brings the grease. It brings the grease right off of it.
It works good. I've used it for a long time. I've been a fan of Super Clean products for a long time. I've never tried the foam. This is my first time with the foam, but the regular spray I've used for a long time.
So how is it compared to the regular spray?
It works as good. It works just as good. It just runs off quicker. I'm liking this foam because it'll actually sit there for a few minutes. Like
it sticks to it?
Mm-hmm.
I think the foam would be good for like the grill grates.
It would. But we'll get into the other products a little bit later on. So this is just a test on the foam.
I couldn't get over how it was just running off.
I brought some more of that.
Yeah, it did.
I mean, that's baked on there.
And that's been 20 some years.
So, I mean, you can't even hardly move it by hand. All it needs now is just a small wiping down. But where I really like it is parts that you can't wipe down at all. Like on engines, spray engines, and we'll have an engine later on. We'll spray down. I like it. I think it works good.
You like it? I'm good. I'm glad.
We'll finish wrenching these off and we'll get some more stuff to do. Right here we have the Super Clean Floor Absorbent. It absorbs spills, super easy to clean up. Here's the directions. You just spread it on your spill, give it a few minutes to work, sweep it up, and dispose of your trash properly.
I've got a spill here.
Yeah, this is old antifreeze right here that we need to get rid of out of our four-wheeler that we're disassembling. And we've got a couple little miscellaneous spots here and there.
It looks like it's soaking it up. There's a coupon on the back of that.
Oh yes, coupons.
Yeah.
Save 50%. We'll give it just a second to do its thing and we'll get back with you. Okay, we waited a couple minutes. Give it time to absorb. And you can also sweep this around back over your piles and it'll absorb more each time you sweep. I mean, check that out.
Oh, it works good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. There it is, Super Clean Floor Absorbent. Again, when you get done, sweep up and dispose of in the proper manner, depending on what you're using. If you're just using regular old household type stuff that would go in the trash anyway, that's fine. But all chemicals, dispose of properly, please. And another fine product from our friends at Super Clean.
Thank you. Okay, to check out this product, I'll leave the link below in the description. And you can also find it at Walmart. So you go check it out. Try it. We like it. Thank you.